Nearly choking and dying there. Hello, everybody. What is up? It's hot for me and Maya, at least. Like 20 degrees is like a million degrees for us. So summer is finally starting. Maybe the weather is playing tricks. Maybe it'll snow again next week. Who knows? But I am super excited for this. I want to just like jump right into it and just do the unboxing review because I'm so excited for this item. Little backstory: got it from this really shitty website that I hate now, Livestock, aka No Stock. I'm gonna make a whole video on them. I hate they're trash, and their service is trash. Their website's trash. Everything. I give them like a 1 out of 10. They're just trash. At least like sometimes they fulfill an order. But yeah, this item, I think it was on sale a while ago. I just kind of slept on it. Then the size I wanted sold out, so I was like, fuck. And I just got an XL because I think Parra fits a bit smaller, but it's more like cut fit. So hopefully this XL still fits nice, and maybe I can just wash it and it'll fit perfect and snug. Who knows? Because I have a small compared to an extra large, so I'm gonna have to compare them now. And I did have a little promo code, so that's nice at least to save some cash money. And yeah, let's open it up. Unboxing video. Hand wash, machine wash. You can, for the bag, you'd wash the bag. What the heck? Oh, so fire. Parra is like one of my favorite companies right now. This toothpaste logo, I used to be really big into brushing my teeth like all the time. Kind of fell off my routine, but I'm gonna get back into the teeth brushing, and this will be my reminder for it. This little purchase, my reminder that I need to be get back into brushing my teeth like a pro, so I stay away from cavities, so I can hopefully not never get any still. Keep my teeth in shape because they've been really getting fucked up from like not taking care of them. Woo! Parra toothpaste in XL. Let's see the fit. Let's see. It's just very wide. Like it looks like it's gonna fit perfect lengthwise and everything. It's just like it'll be a bit like wide. And I love the design on the back too. And I really wanted to try out their like it's like water-based ink print. So it should last really long. I love this. I wish I could have got it in the large, but we'll see how it goes after I try it on and toss it in the wash too. Maybe I'll like dry it eventually. This is so fire though. The toothpaste, love brushing my teeth. Then I got some coffee because I become addicted to coffee. Drive around all the time. And then me decorating my house, all my furniture, lots fire. Signature Parra designs, and this is a unique one, the toothpaste. I love this, and this water-based print looks and feels amazing. Like it doesn't really feel thick at all. Like I think all companies should start doing this. Like Talking Terps should try this out. This is sick, bro. I got some shitty Supreme stuff, and this is like my second time wearing the shirt, and the box already cracked on it. Hanes is like the worst quality. Look, the box logo already cracked. Like what the fuck, man? Anyways, let me try this on for you guys. I'll just try it on right here. And then bring you over to the mirror. I'll just put it over this Supreme top. Even though I don't like wearing... Oh, it smells nice. Wow. It smells like fabric from like Mexico. Well, it's made in Portugal, so. Like it smells like foreign, like I'm on like a vacation. It smells like nice material, probably just like nice organic cotton. But yeah, I don't really mess with like wearing shirts, like tank tops underneath shirts. I guess people do it like if it's see-through or if it's like oversized, I guess. So yeah, it's definitely really oversized. Like it fits. What's nice? Oh, I should have brought you guys with me. Right, Maya, she's just hiding behind the chair trying to cool down. She's like, maybe this spot will cool me down. It's just like it fits nice around the neck, but then it's super wide and wider on the arms. Like I don't mind the wideness on the arms because then I have more like movability, but the length on it is kind of annoying. The length is fine. I don't mind like a little bit extra length. Like a lot of larges are this length, but then it's very wide. So I'll probably end up just like drying it. Even though that won't be good for the print, I would have preferred not to dry it, especially how expensive it is. Or I'll just wear it as a baggy shirt. I'm not sure, because I do like to rock a lot of baggy outfits. Like, it would even almost go with these shorts if the color matched. It's too opposite, though. Too bipolar, yeah. That's the right word, I think. Is that all I want to say about it? I'm gonna do a preview now, so yeah, stay tuned. Bit oversized. Too bad I didn't get it in large. Fuck the website. Super expensive. Blah blah blah. That's all my main points. Still, I love it though. I'd give it like a 9 out of 10. I'd be 10 out of 10 if it was perfect size. And it was a bit pricey. Like they upmarket this one a little bit. Maybe I think it was cheaper before. Maybe I don't even know. I swear it was on sale for like $40 before, and now it's like 90 retail. Like, alright, that's all for now. Preview.